In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Zoho form submissions. To get started, head to your Forms listing page. Locate the form you want to evaluate and click the Analytics link that appears right under its name. This brings up a clear snapshot of how your form is performing, so you can quickly understand what's working and where there may be friction. Right at the top, you'll see Form Views. This is simply the number of times people have seen your form. Think of it as your reach or traffic. A higher view count means your form is being discovered, whether it's embedded on a page, shared in a campaign, or accessed directly. It sets the context for everything else you'll look at. Next is Submissions, which counts how many times the form was actually completed and sent. This is the outcome you're ultimately aiming for. Comparing submissions against views is essential, because it helps you judge whether the people seeing your form are motivated and able to finish it. That's exactly where conversion rate comes in. This metric expresses, as a percentage, how many of those views turned into submissions. For instance, if 100 people saw your form and 20 completed it, your conversion rate would be 20%. This number is a powerful shorthand for effectiveness. If it's strong, it suggests your message, layout, and fields are aligned with what visitors expect. If it's lower than you'd like, it can hint at friction, confusion, or a mismatch between the promise that brought someone to the form and the effort required to complete it. You'll also find regional views, which show where your visitors are located. This adds helpful context to your traffic and conversions. Knowing the regions your audience comes from can guide your language, examples, and even timing for promotions or follow-ups. If you notice interest from a location you hadn't anticipated, it may signal a new opportunity or an audience segment worth addressing more directly. Finally, pay close attention to the error score. This metric indicates how often people encountered submission errors, such as missing required fields or entering information in an unexpected format. A higher error score is a red flag that visitors are getting tripped up. It's an excellent prompt to review your field labels, instructions, and validation rules to ensure they're clear and forgiving. By using these 5 metrics together, views, submissions, conversion rate, regional views, and error score, you'll gain a well-rounded understanding of your form's performance and make smarter, data-driven improvements.